In today's health alert, there's good news for people with multiple food allergies. The FDA expanded the use of a medication called Xolair to reduce allergic reactions. The approval was based on a study, and here with the details is our chief health editor, Dr. Partha Nandi. Dr. Nandi, how effective is this medication, and can those taking it eat those foods that they haven't been able to safely?
Yeah, I'm excited to talk about it. So medication Xolair, Mike, does not eliminate food allergies. So it doesn't grant people the freedom to really eat whatever they want to, even if they're allergic to it. What it does do is reduce the impact of accidental exposure. This is a significant concern, right, for people with food allergies and their families, especially during social events or dining out where you don't know what you're eating, right? And accidental exposure could be life-threatening. And Xolair is the brand name for omalizumab. Omalizumab was first approved in 2003. Say that fast 3 times, Mike. It was approved for treating moderate to severe allergic asthma. The expanded FDA approval was based on a double-blinded, placebo-controlled study that included 168 pediatric and adult participants. So all were allergic to peanuts and at least 2 other foods, including milk, eggs, wheat, cashews, hazelnuts, or walnuts. Over 16 to 20 weeks, the participants were randomly assigned to either Xolair or a placebo, and the findings showed this, that 68% of those given Xolair could consume about a half teaspoon of peanut protein without experiencing moderate to severe allergic symptoms like hives, vomiting, or coughing. However, 17% of Xolair recipients experienced no significant change. The study reported similar outcomes for tree nuts, wheat, milk, and eggs, and that is why the FDA recommends that allergens be intentionally avoided while on this medication.
And of course, it's difficult for anybody who has to deal with these things, but how does the medication work, and what about any side effects?
Yeah, important question, right? So Xolair is the class of drugs called monoclonal antibodies. It binds to immunoglobulin E, which is an antibody type, Mike, that triggers allergic reactions. It can block the body's natural response to these allergens. As for side effects, the most common ones observed were fever and injection site reactions. The FDA noted that Xolair carries warnings and precautions such as malignancy, which is cancer, joint pain, rash, parasitic or worm infection, and abnormal laboratory test results. The drug carries a boxed warning for anaphylaxis, which is a severe, potentially life-threatening allergic reaction that could compromise breathing, which means it could affect breathing, lead to a significant decrease in blood pressure, and impact heart rate. It can be fatal and must be treated immediately with epinephrine. On a positive note, right, we got to talk about the side effects, but here's a positive note. This drug could potentially help 17 million Americans with serious food allergies. It's approved for certain adults and children age 1 or older. It could possibly ease the stress families face due to severe food allergies and let them enjoy more activities outside the home. Again, it's not a panacea. You can't just, if you're allergic to something, you can't just start eating fish or shrimp all of a sudden, right? But if you accidentally get it, then you may have something that can prevent you from getting seriously ill.
Yeah, a few less worries out there. That would be appreciated.
Exactly.
All right, Dr. Nandi, thank you.
My pleasure.
And if you have a health question for the doctor, you can email him at drnandi@askdrnandi.com or send it to us on Facebook or Twitter.